When you think of Idaho, what do you think of? I think of Republicans and potatoes. So we're at the Potato Museum. It's probably the biggest potato I've seen in my life. We got the potato lady. They even got a potato penny smasher. I think I found another wife. I'm gonna be part of this marriage. Maybe these were the original potato farmers. The average American eats 1,100 pounds of potatoes a day, and I bet 50 pounds of that is from McDonald's.
This museum is located in Blackfoot, Idaho, which is about 30 minutes from where we're staying in Idaho Falls. Pretty cool. Look at all these tools to cut your potato, shave your potato, brush your potato.
All these old cans of Pringles.
Those are cool.
And the world's biggest potato crisp.
The world's largest potato crisp. Wow, I didn't know there were so many steps to processing a potato. First, you start with raw receiving, storage, the steam peeler, trimming and inspection, slabbing, pre-cooking, pre-cooling, cooking, mixing, conditioning, drying, sifting, packaging, and blending. And then the potatoes are off. Wow. What a very nice potato sack suit. Look at all those varieties of Idaho potatoes. Russet, red, gold, and fingerling. I know everything before now was very fascinating, but did you guys know how the potato changed the world? Because I didn't. Whole food security. Oh, wow. Oh no. EJ left me. Ooh. What's down there?
Explain our situation. Give me just a second.
It's like the potato people.
We've been down
there.
several months now, but we're gonna have to move it on.
You guys know sometimes when I smoke too much, I myself feel like a potato. About 13 billion pounds of potatoes are harvested every year in the state of Idaho. It's crazy. I didn't really know there was so much to potatoes. Look at all these potato smashers all over the place. If you're wondering what the hell this is a potato sack sewing machine. Now you know. So it starts off like this, and it ends up like this.
Hey everyone, so we're gonna do a little interview. It's just gonna be real short. This is Allie, and what's your name?
Joe.
Joe? Joe is the grandson of the owner of the Potato Museum. And Allie
I'm just a worker.
She's
I
just
work here.
she's just a worker, but she agreed to just answer a couple questions. So, where is this located?
Blackfoot, Idaho.
And what is your favorite part of the museum?
Probably the cafe.
The cafe? And what's special about the cafe?
The ice cream, the potato ice cream is amazing.
Okay. And what is your favorite part about the Potato Museum?
Probably the office.
The office? Yeah.
It's like there's like two computers and stuff. That's where I mostly am.
Yeah. And how many visitors do you think you guys get, like a year?
Probably like 1,000 days.
We got a lot this summer. We're super busy, but we're slowing down right now. So probably like 20 a day now.
20 a day now? Try and help them out. But, okay, thank you guys for the interview.
Oh, by
Appreciate
the
it.
way, my grandma's in there.
Is she? You think she wants to say hi? Yeah. Okay. Let's go find Grandma. What is your favorite thing about the museum and about running the museum?
Mine is the office.
So, the Idaho Potato Museum was founded in 1988 by a group of locals who wanted to tell the world about Blackfoot and that this Bingham County raises more potatoes than any other county in the United States. Therefore, it's kind of called, I guess you give yourself the name, the potato capital of the world. So that's how it started. And for me, my personal favorite, I think it's always been kind of this guy right here because he's so old, and you think about all of the great years that this thing has seen, and the wood is so fabulously weathered. But there's also other cool equipment, like this is the Milestone Museum potato seed cutter. This,
I bet that changed the game, huh?
it did. It really did.
I still don't get how you got all of this in here.
Donations, through donations. And so what it, like a family, say of 4 or 6, they could work all night cutting potatoes, and they could only really do 36 bags of seed potatoes in a day. This could do it in an hour, and now they can do up to like 1,000 bags of seed potatoes
That's
in an
awesome.
hour, So it just changed the amount of acreage that could be planted in a season. So that was really amazing. We're trying to do, we have another one up here, which is the Milestone, not the Milestone, it's the Spudnik loader and piler. That changed everything too, because what happened there is they just took existing technology like the conveyor belt, and then they just adapted it, put it on wheels, put it on a boom arm, and so that they could load and unload potatoes without bruising them and without that back-breaking
Yeah.
labor.
Yeah.
But anyway, it's just fun. I think the best part about working for a museum is to see how the visitors come through and just see how their attitude about potatoes changes, because it's really just a humble vegetable, but it's still a lot of things. I know, first vegetable grown in space. I know it's responsible for the television. It's a really cool vegetable.
Yeah.
It's awesome. Anyway, there's
Well,
anything else?
thank you very much.
Yeah, guys, thank
Appreciate
you.
it.
Good luck on your travels.
Thank you. Got our souvenirs. We're on our way out. That was pretty cool. They were willing to do a random interview with us, which is pretty awesome. On the spot, definitely. But very enjoyable.
Good stuff. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it was at least a little bit interesting to you. Hit the like button, subscribe if you want. Until next time.